Hello everyone, I am Sankreshwari. I am pursuing a BE Computer Science at National Engineering College. In this video, I am going to share my experience and what are the things I learned in the 1 month internship at WebStack Academy. Here we go. Let's see the content. First, I am going to share the overview and the goals of the internship, project requirements, architectures and designs, a full stack web development and MERN stack, implementation details, and then the conclusion. And I also include my project demo. Let's see the overview of this internship. This internship is for 1 month and we have a mentor who taught us from the beginning to the end. And this internship is mainly focused on developing a full stack website. It's a dynamic platform for the user to discover many functionalities in the websites. And this project aims to create a responsive user-friendly website by utilizing the MERN stack. Let's see what's a MERN stack in the following slides. Then the goals of the internship. This internship is mainly aims to develop a fully functional web application, and it also implement user-friendly features such as user authentications, property listings and booking, and then the payment capabilities. The main aim is to gain a hands-on experience with the MERN stock technologies, and it also understand the workflow of full stack web development from the design phase to the deployment phase. Next, we hear for the project requirements. Usually, a complete project must needs a user authentication system like a sign up, login and logout, and the dashboard of the registered user to manage their profiles, and then the interactive user interface for the data input and retrieval, and we should integrate with the MongoDB database for storing and retrieving data, and the responsive design for the seamless user experience across the devices. Here we come for architectures and designs. In this internship, what are the technologies we used on our front-end, which includes React.js, HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and front-end which includes Node.js and Express.js. And we need to store a data, so we need a database. So we are using a Mongo database, and we are also integrating a Google Map API for the property location display. Okay, let's see one by one briefly. First, what is a website, and when we call it as a complete website, website which includes both a front end and a back end, we say it as a full stack website. So what is a front end? Front end, it is a part of our application where the user interact with directly. For example, if you are opening a website, what are the things we see, touch and interact with on the screen is a front end. Then if you are logging into a website and doing some work and then getting log out, then again login, there is no data we have previously done. In that place, we need a backend. A backend is a web application which refers to the server-side code and the component that handle the data processing, business logics and interaction with the database. So a backend must need to store the data, what are the things we previously done. Then in the designing part, we hear it for the term UI and UX. What is a UI? It is a user interface designed with a responsive layout using a HTML, CSS and React components for the seamless experience across the devices. And then we hear it for UX. UX, it is a user experience. It's focused on intuitive navigation, clear feedback and minimalistic design to enhance usability. And data flow. Data flow, which is utilize a RESTful APIs to handle the client-server communication, ensuring a efficient data transfer and manipulation. Okay, we already state what is a front end. In that, we see a front end is a thing the user can feel, touch and interact. How it can be possible? What are the things make these? Let's see. First, the HTML. HTML stands for the Hypertext Markup Language, and it used to create, design a web page. It provides a structure and content to the web page. Is it enough for the front end? It will attract a user? No. We need to attract the user, so we are going to use CSS, which stands for the cascading style sheet. It is a style sheet language used to describe the layout of HTML. It gives a color, animations and different functionalities to attract the users. So we came for a CSS. Then we are giving a style to the website. The user is getting attracted, but they can't interact with the website, so we need interaction. So we are going to JavaScript. JavaScript is a high level interpret programming language that is widely used for front end as well as a back end development. It will allow the user to interact with a web page. Then we hear it for a main technology, MERN stack. What is a MERN stack? Here, M stands for MongoDB and E stands for Express.js and R stands for React and N stands for Node.js. First, the MongoDB. It is a document-based NoSQL database providing a flexibility and scalability for storing data. And then Express.js, it is a minimal and flexible Node.js web application framework, simplifying the document of server-side application and APIs. And then the React, it is a most powerful JavaScript library for building the dynamic user interface, enabling the creation of interactive and responsive front-end components. And then the Node.js, a JavaScript runtime environment facilitating the server-side scripting and allowing the use of JavaScript for both the client and the server-side development. Here we come for implementation details. In this, I'm going to tell what are the things we have implemented in this project. First, the user authentication feature, which implement the user sign up, login and logout functionalities, and we have used JSON web tokens for the secure authentication. And then we need to create a user dashboard for the successfully logged in users. So create a dashboard for registered user to manage their profiles and integrate forms of updating user informations. And then we hear it for data management. They developed RESTful APIs for handling the CRUD, which is a create, react, update and delete option. Then we use the booking system. Booking system form with the date selection and guest count. A booking confirmation with the mail notification to the users and the property owners. And then the property listing, a property records displaying key details and the images. A detailed property pages with amenities, location map and booking options. And we integrate with the Google Map API for the property location visualization. Then the responsive designs ensures a responsive layout using the CSS media queries and tested on various devices and screen size for consistency. Then we hear for a project demo. I had done my project in the Visual Studio Code. My folder is a internship where I have a front end and backend folder, front end and a backend folder. In a front end, I have a source folder where other folders such as a component, which includes the accommodation, home, my bookings, payments, property details and users. And I also have a CSS folder which contains the CSS for all other files. And then here it's for a store folder which contains all the folders, actions and slice files. So let's run. Let's open a terminal and split the terminal. Okay, let's open a backend first. Let's start using npm start. Yes, a DB connection successful. Then let's open a front end folder. A same command is for npm start. It's running in a React. The homely hub name is coming as it's got get loading. Huh. First we have to log in. I'm going to give a new email ID. In this, first I'm giving my name, son, and then my email ID. Then my password. Password confirm. Then my mobile number. I just give some other. Okay, I got registered. You logged in successfully. The message is coming. Then let's see the user dashboard, my account. Here my name, email address and my phone number. Okay, let's edit the profile. Let's choose avatar, browse, add a profile pic. Yes, it's got uploaded. Then we have to give update. A profile updated successfully. A message is coming and it also get updated here also. Let's change our password. Our current password. I'm giving my current password. And then my new password. Let's update. A password has been updated successfully. Yes, it's also working. And in my bookings, I have not yet made any booking, so it's showing my bookings are not available. And then accommodations, where I didn't made any accommodation, so it's showing accommodation not available. Then let's go home. Here we heard for many villas are there. We are going to select anyone. Here also we have for a search destination. Okay, here I'm searching for a Goa. Is the available villas in Goas are, it's showing first. Okay, these are the images of that property. Let's see the multiple images of this. Okay, then here is the description for this property and what this place offer. It contains a Wi-Fi, TV, AC and pool, and then some extra informations and map. We have integrated a map API, so it's showing a location. Okay, let's start booking. Then start date, I have 8 to 11, 4 days. And here is maximum guess is 4. If I give 6 and my name and my phone number, book this place, it's showing please select a valid first number of more than 4, so 3. Yes, it's asking for a card number. It's give a dummy card number. Then month, Here, let's pay. It took some time. Yes, I had book. It's showing my booking details as this, and my total price is also here. We can select and see my bookings. In this, my bookings, we can see that in Gmail, we had made a payment. So we have included this Stripe payment in our backend. We also give a secret key for this, so all the bookings we had made is stored in this. Yes, it's coming homely hub, and in payment section, all payments, it's showing 3600 succeeded with the date. Now our amount is successfully credited. Okay, then go to home. Let's hear it for my account, and then let's make a accommodation. I'm giving a new accommodation here. Then click add new places. Here it's getting for a title. Let's give the great villa, and then we have to add address. Let's give dummy address. Merino city, Chennai state, Tamil Nadu, and pin code. Okay, then I'm going to give a URL for the villa's photos. See, and adding, we have to maximum upload 5 images. I just add a repeated images. Okay, then we have to give a description. Welcome to the great villa. Okay, and then the property type, it's give a guest house, and the room type, entire room, and then the amenities, what are the things that are available. Wi-Fi available, kitchen available, AC available, and free parking, and then TV available. Okay, um, if we need to give any extra information, we can give, or else no need. We give the number of guests can live in that house. Let's give 5, and price per night, we have to give a price. Let's give 5000 per night. Let's save it. Yes, we add a great villa. Here we give the accommodation. Let's see in the here. At last we can see that here we had uploaded a great villa. This great villa is already I have uploaded. This now we uploaded image. Here we give all these images are there, and description, welcome to the great villa, and the maximum number of guests is 5, and we give the number of accommodation amenities available, and here for extra admission, and we didn't give any other details here. Map integration. Okay, if we need to book, we can book this, and the multiple images here is okay. Okay, let's move on to some other features, like if I'm going to give a forget password. Mm, I'm getting log out. User has been logged out. Then I'm going to give forget password. It's asked me to enter the email. I'm giving my email and send email. Email sent. Please check your inbox. Here we have to go for a um, email trap. I had opened my email ID in the mail trap. Here inboxes, yes, it's coming your password as reset token valid for 10 minutes. Here we have to reset our password. It is valid only for 10 minutes. Okay, new password. Let's give a new password. Confirm password. Then set password. Yes, updated password. Let's update our password. Let's give our email. Let's give our password. ABC. Login. As it's getting login, then our profile photo has been updated, will be in a Cloudinary. Cloudinary is a platform where Cloudinary where the images is uploaded in our backend. If we upload any images, it will show in that. Let's get a login. I already have an account. Yes. Here we go for asserts. In that a folder, I already created a folder avatar. The avatars we have uploaded will be show here. Here I had used the another user had used a flower pic, so it's getting uploaded here, and we uploaded this image, a developer image is also here. So it's a use of Cloudinary, which will run an image at the back end. Okay, then we go for our homely hub. We had made our booking here and our accommodation is here, and if we touch this logo, we will go for a home. That's all. Then we hear it for a conclusion. And this internship provided me a valuable experience in the field of full stack web development using a MERN stack, and it I also gained a proficiency in building the interactive user interface with the React.js, and I know of creating RESTful APIs with the Node.js and Express.js, and implementing the user identifications, and designing a well responsive and user-friendly website. And this internship has provided me a skill and knowledge necessary for my developing a modern web applications. Thank you for the Webstack Academy for providing this wonderful opportunity. Thank you. Thank you for the viewers. Thank you.